back, everybody. So today we're going to put the finish on the Model 70 stock. I'm going to be using TRU-OIL, Birchwood KC TRU-OIL, and I'm going to show you how to apply that to your stained stock. So let's get started. So I'm going to put some finish inside a cup. This is just like one of those ice cream cups you can get at the store. I'm using this to apply, and by applying I'm using my fingers. So make sure there's no dust or dirt on the stock. So I'll just start applying the finish right to it. Make sure there's no runs in it as well. And I'm going to be doing at least 3 coats of this finish. It's warm out today, so it's drying pretty quick. So you can do like a circular motion and then rub it in. You want to make sure you don't leave any fingerprints or anything. I know someone's going to say you want to use rubber gloves, but I've used rubber gloves before and they start to break down when you're using this. So I don't use rubber gloves or like any kind of gloves whatsoever. I just use my fingers. And clean up after is real easy. All you do, put a little vegetable oil on your fingers and then you're good to go. And rub them together. And then use some just dish soap, and the TRU-OIL will come right off your fingers. This really helps bring out the grains of the wood. And there's going to be some dry spots that you're going to see where the wood's absorbed more of the finish, but that's normal. You're just going to want to do multiple coats. And I'll be back when we're almost done. Just about finished here. Just putting a little bit more around this pistol grip. And yes, I know someone's going to say, you didn't take the pistol grip cap off. I did. So don't worry about it. So you'll see there's some runny spots or some drier spots than others. That's normal. You're going to hit this with steel wool at the end when it's completely dry. And then you'll be able to add more coats to it. Take all the high spots out. Or you can use, if you don't have 4/0 steel wool, you can use, I use 1000 grit sandpaper and then use water as a lubricant. And then you can sand all the imperfections out and then add your next coat. There you have it. So, gun stock's right behind me. It's hanging up. It's drying. So that's how you apply the Birchwood KC TRU-OIL to a gun stock. Like I said, you can use your fingers. I've seen some people use like a brush to put it on, or a sponge brush. I just use my fingers and then just make sure there's no runs in it, make sure there's no fingerprints left. If there are and you don't get it right away, sand it, or 4/0 steel wool to scuff it up and then apply your next coat. You want to go at least 3 coats. That's what I go with. 3 coats is really good finish to it. So yeah, that's how you do it. And stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you on the next one.